आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सॉल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, you have to prove that in this question sec square tan inverse 2 plus cosec square cot inverse 3 is equal to 15. Okay, and tan square sec inverse 2 plus cot square cosec inverse 3 is equal to 11. Fine. Okay, so let's take first LHS in the first condition. Okay, now for the first condition sec square tan inverse 2 plus cosec square cot inverse 3 is equal to, okay, now what we can do here, we can write this as sec tan inverse 2 square plus cosec cot inverse 3 square. Okay, fine. Now if I say here tan inverse 2, we can say here tan theta will be equal to 2 or 2 divided by 1. This will act as perpendicular and this will act as a base. Now if you draw a right angle triangle, okay, if you draw a right angle triangle here, something like this, right, and like this, okay. So here your perpendicular is 2, base is 1, hypotenuse will be under root 2 square plus 1 square, that will be under root, right. If I want sec theta value, I can write this as root 5 divided by 1 or theta inverse, as theta will be equal to, if, okay, sec inverse root 5. If I consider tan inverse equal to theta, right, tan inverse equal to theta, tan theta is equal to this. Okay, so again theta is equal to sec inverse root 5. I can put this value here. Okay, now for the second condition, cot inverse is 3. Cot inverse 3. Let us consider it equal to theta. We can say cot theta will be equal to 3 divided by 1. Again you can consider a right angle triangle. Okay, you can again consider a right angle triangle here. Fine. Now if base is 3, perpendicular is 1, hypotenuse will be equal to 3 square plus 1 square, that will be under root 10. Now what will be the value of cosec theta? Okay, it will be equal to root 10 divided by 1, or cosec inverse root 10 will be equal to, right. Now if I substitute these value in the required format, then the value will be sec inverse root 5 square plus cosec bracket cosec inverse root 10 square. Sec into sec inverse will be 1, so it will be root 5 square plus, similarly cosec inverse cosec into cosec inverse will be 1 and it will be root 10 square. So the value will be 10 plus 5 or 15. This is your RHS. 15 is your RHS. Thus we can say LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, fine. Now, the second condition says 10 square. Second part. Second part says 10 square sec inverse 2 plus cosec, sorry, cosec or cot square cosec, cot square cosec inverse 3 is equal to 11. Again, if we take LHS, fine. Now, again, this can be represented as 10 sec inverse 2 square plus cot cosec inverse 3 square. Okay. Now, again, you can make a triangle. Okay. Again, you can make a right angle triangle. Same concept. You have to do nothing more than that. Okay. So, in the first case, sec inverse is 2. Sec is equal to hypotenuse upon base, which means this is 2 and this will be 1. Perpendicular can be calculated by 2 square minus 1 square, that will be equal to root 3. Okay. Similarly, for the second triangle, okay, second triangle, cosec inverse 3. Cosec is hypotenuse upon perpendicular. This will give us under root 3 square 9 minus 1, that is equal to root. Now, if I want, I can write this as 10 bracket 10 inverse. 10 is perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular upon base, that's root 3 square plus cot inverse for the second case will be cot is base upon perpendicular, that will be root 8 square. This will give us root 3 square plus root 8 square, that will be 3 plus 8 equal to 11, which is our LHS. So we can say RHS is equal to LHS. Hence, that's all from my side. Thank you everyone. Have a great day.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।